Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain you how to calculate standard deviation in discrete series. In discrete series also we are having three methods as I have explained you earlier for the individual series: direct method, shortcut method and step deviation method. In direct method, the formula to calculate standard deviation is under root sigma fd square over sigma f. How to calculate it will be discussed with a question. CSD, that means coefficient of standard deviation, is calculated by dividing standard deviation by mean, and the mean to be calculated by sigma fx over sigma f in direct method. The formula which is to be used in the shortcut method to calculate standard deviation is under root sigma fd square over sigma f minus sigma fd over sigma f whole square. Here also CSD, coefficient of standard deviation formula is same, that means standard deviation divided by mean. But how to calculate mean here? In shortcut method the formula is different. A plus sigma fd over sigma f. This formula is to be used to calculate mean, and this mean will be used in coefficient of standard deviation. And the deviation here will be calculated with the help of assumed mean x minus a. Now when we talk about the step deviation method, our formula to calculate standard deviation becomes under root sigma fd dash square over sigma f minus in bracket sigma fd dash over sigma f whole square multiply c. Minded this multiply c is out of this under root, right? CSD is calculated by the same formula by dividing standard deviation with mean, and here calculation of mean is also done by another formula. That means we use the formula a plus sigma fd dash. That means we have done the step deviation over sigma f into c. C is the common factor. Now we'll do one question. And these are the formulas which we use. We'll take one question. Say suppose I have taken question. Calculate standard deviation and its coefficient. Question is x is given 15, 20, 25, 30 and 35. Frequency is given 2, 3, 6, 7, 2. Now when we will use direct method, we need actual mean. Actual mean will be calculated with the formula sigma fx over sigma f. So here for this fx we need fx. Fx is 15 into 2, that means x multiplied by f. So it will become 30, 60. I hope you all are understanding how I am solving it, because we have to multiply frequency by x, the value which has been given. So 25 multiplied by 6, it will become 150. 30 multiplied by 7, 210, and 35 multiplied by 2, 70. This is how fx has been calculated. Now the total of fx, when we get the total of fx, it becomes 520. And we also need the total of frequency. That means sigma f, it is 20. By putting the values, 520 divided by 20, we get 26. Now this mean, actual mean is used to find out deviation here at the time of direct method, x minus mean. This is x, this is mean. So 15 minus 26, it becomes minus 11. 20 minus 26, minus 6. 25 minus 26, minus 1. 30 minus 26, 4. And 35 minus 26, it becomes 9. To calculate standard deviation, we need sigma fd square over sigma f. That means first we have to calculate d square and then we will multiply with f d square, right? So now here d square means 121, 6 into 6, 36, 1, 16 and 81. Now to multiply frequency with d square, we get 242, then 108, then it becomes 6 ones are 6, 16 sevens are 112, 81 into 2, 162. We need the total of sigma fd square. It becomes 630. By putting the values we get 630 in the root, divide by 20. So it becomes under root 31.5. Now by solving the root 31.5 we get 5.61. I have already explained to you many a times how to solve this under root. After doing the root, square root of 31.5 is 5.61. After calculating standard deviation, we have to calculate coefficient of standard deviation, that means CSD. Coefficient of standard deviation is equals to standard deviation divided by mean. So here standard deviation is 5.61 divided by mean, that means 26. When 26 से जब 5.61 को divide करेंगे we get 0.21. So hence standard deviation is 5.61 and CSD is 0.21. I hope it is clear. CSD means coefficient of standard deviation. This is by using the direct method, right? And when we use, let us study about the shortcut method as well for the same question. When we talk about shortcut method, writing the same question again, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 and frequency is given 2, 3, 6, 7, 2. Now in shortcut method deviations are always calculated with the help of assumed mean, and that assumed mean will be taken out from the x, not from frequency. Many students do the mistake, they take assumed mean from frequency. No, assumed mean will be taken only from x. Suppose we have taken 25 as assumed mean, then we get 15 minus 25 minus 10, 20 minus 25 minus 5, then 0, 5 and 10. After this we will get d square. It will become 100, 25, 0, 25 and 100. By multiplying fd and fd square. अब ये fd क्या है? This is multiplication of f and d. fd square क्या है? बच्चे गलती करते हैं, इसका स्क्वायर कर देते हैं. No, what we have to do is now for this we have to multiply f into d square. f into d square. This is f into d. In shortcut method we need both the multiplications, right? So here while multiplying f into d, 5 into minus 10 we get minus 20, 3 into minus 5 we get minus 15, then 0, 35 and 20. After this when we will multiply f into d square, that means 2 into 100, 200, 3 into 25 we get 75, 6 into 0, 0, 7 into 25, 175 and 2 into 100 again 200. Writing the formula here, standard deviation is equals to sigma fd square over sigma f minus sigma fd over sigma f का whole square. By putting the values in it we get, first we have to take the total of sigma fd square and sigma fd and sigma f. Sigma f we have calculated in the previous question also, it was 20. fd is, it is 20 से 20 क्या 20 and fd square here is 650. By putting the values here it becomes 650 divide by 20 minus fd कितना है 20 divide by 20 whole square. By dividing 650 by 20 we get 32.5 minus 20 से 20 क्या 1 and 1 into 1 1. So it becomes under root 31.5 और under root 31.5 हमारा क्या होता है? It becomes 5.61. So this is how we calculate standard deviation. But now to calculate CSD we need mean, क्योंकि deviation तो हमने assumed mean से निकाल लिया. अब mean किस फॉर्मूला से लगाएंगे? mean के लिए हम सिग्मा एफ एक्स अपॉन सिग्मा एफ नहीं लिखेंगे. हमारा फॉर्मूला क्या हो जाएगा? आप शॉर्टकट मेथड में a प्लस सिग्मा एफ डी ओवर सिग्मा एफ. बाय पुटिंग द वैल्यूज a is 25, sigma fd is 20, divide by 20, it becomes 25 plus 1 is equals to 26. Now to calculate CSD we write the formula standard deviation divided by mean. Standard deviation is 5.61 and mean is 26. By solving it, we get 0.21. This is how we calculate CSD, mean and standard deviation in shortcut method. Now, the last method is step deviation method. I'll be explaining you the same method in the same video only by the same question. Step deviation method. Writing the same question here, 15, 20, 25, 30 and 35. Frequency is 2, 3, 6, 7, 2. Now, when we talk about the step deviation method, we first calculate deviation. Again, by assumed mean, suppose I have taken assumed mean same A, so it becomes minus 10, minus 5, 0, 5 and 10. After this, the next step which has been added in the step deviation method is D dash. D dash is dividing D by common factor. Now here कॉमन फैक्टर जिससे सभी डिवाइड हो जाए, इट सीम्स 5 हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर, राइट. 5 2 से भी हो जाएंगे, 2 से नहीं होंगे, ये सिर्फ 5 से ही होंगे. तो 5 इज़ द हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर. तो 5 से जब डिवाइड करेंगे इट बिकम्स -2, -1, 0, 1 एंड 2. आफ्टर दिस वी विल कैलकुलेट एफ डी डैश, देन डी डैश स्क्वायर एंड देन एफ डी डैश स्क्वायर. एफ डी डैश मीन्स एफ इंटू डी डैश, एफ डी डैश स्क्वायर मीन्स एफ इंटू डी डैश square. So here first we will calculate every dash, that means frequency into minus d dash, that means -2. It becomes -4, -3, 0, 7 and 4. To calculate d dash square, इसका स्क्वायर करेंगे 2 into 2 4, माइनस माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा, 1 into 1 1, 0, 1 and 4. Now by multiplying this frequency with this d square, 2 into 4 8, 3 into 1 3, 6 into 0 0, 7 into 1 7, 2 into 4 8. Right. Now taking out the total of sigma fd dash square and sigma fd dash. The total of sigma fd dash is 4 and the total of sigma fd dash square is 26. Or sigma total of frequency is, we have calculated earlier also, 20. First we will calculate standard deviation. The formula for standard deviation will be sigma fd dash square over sigma f minus sigma fd dash over sigma f whole square into c is outside this. By putting the values here, we will put 26 divided by 20 minus, in bracket we get 4 divided by 20 whole square multiply 5, क्योंकि common factor here we have taken as 5. By solving it we get 26 divided by 20, 26 को जब 20 से डिवाइड करेंगे we get 1.3 minus 4 divided by 20 is 0.2 and 0.2 into 0.2 it becomes 0.04, क्योंकि 0.2 का होल स्क्वायर क्या हो जाएगा 0.04 multiply by 5. So here we get under root, इसको माइनस करेंगे हमारा क्या निकल के आएगा 1.26 multiply 5. 1.26 का रूट क्या होगा 1.122 into 5, then we get 5.61, right. To calculate CSD we need mean. So first we will calculate mean. Here now means formula will be mean is equals to a plus sigma fd dash over sigma f into c. By putting the values, a is 25, fd dash is 4 over 20 into 5. So it becomes 25 plus 20 over 20, 5 into 4 20, it becomes 25 plus 1 is equals to 26. So this is how we calculated mean. After calculating mean, the last step for us is coefficient of standard deviation. It will be calculated by dividing standard deviation with mean. Standard deviation is 5.61 and mean is 26. We get 0.21. Now I hope this is clear to you. Now depends on you how you calculate. Your solution must be very clear. You must know how to divide, how to take square root. If you face any problem, you can ask me anytime. Thank you. God bless you all.